In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a chatbot that sells exotic cars, or it literally sells any type of car. It to be whether it's a boat, RV, or just a regular car, from a sedan to an SUV, or even 18-wheelers if you really wanted to. I'm going to teach you how you can create a chatbot that sells vehicles. Okay, so you pretty much start off with this. The model that we're going to use is pretty much kind of like this company is pretty much just cars.com, right? You pretty much can it just gives you a list of all the types that they have. If I say the filter, it pretty much just says like, oh, we have this car, we have this car, this tells you want to shop now, right? We can literally do this, but make it way more interactive. Like, look how ugly this is. Like, you know what I'm saying? We can do it better. So what we use Voiceflow is pretty much lets you create chatbots, and this is what we're going to use to create our. So we start off with the text box. You click talk, you go to text, you drop it right here, right? First thing we're gonna do is link it. This is what opening message is gonna be, right? So if we're gonna say something like, welcome to sold by AI, right? That's what I call my, that's what I call pretty much like any demo chatbot that I make. I call it sold by AI. So like whatever it's sold by AI, right? And so pretty much what you click, you hover over. You don't click it, you hover, lets you click variables. I click 5 variables. So pretty much just saying hello, welcome to AI all time. It's gonna say hello and welcome to Soul by. Welcome to Soul by AI. How may I help you? Welcome to greetings and welcome to Soul by AI, right? It just gives people a nice little greeting, right? This is how we get started, right? The first thing you're gonna go to is talk, carousel. You drop it under here, boom, right? Then I literally just went to google.com. I typed in exotic cars. You literally can have a picture of whatever car you want. You car dealership, you see the type of cars you have. You literally go to a car dealership and you say, hey, I want a picture of cars that you have, and I want to try to sell them using the chatbot system that I have, right? I'm going to take a picture of these cars, onto my chatbot. I'm going to come back, give you the chatbot, and you can use it to sell cars. I can even use the chatbot to search, okay? But it's one of those things where like this. This is the type of picture that I take. You go and I take a picture of this car, I take a picture of this car, I take a car, right? I go back to I click this, right? I have cars on here. So say the first one is the Mercedes, right? Boom. I have the Mercedes. I don't want to sit here spending the time typing up all the little stuff. So I'm gonna name them stuff that right, just to save myself some time. If anything, we'll put the name right here. I'll do Control V, right, and right here, we'll write 50 grand, right? And like I said, you could put whatever information here. I just didn't want to have to type this, so because it saves me a lot more time. So this is why I did it. Boom. Say this is car number 1, right? Then you click these buttons. You click here. I do www.google. But this is the click a link, like this little button that they click. This is where you want them to go. You can have them go to a website. You can whatever it is that you want to do. You can have an integration. You can have them go to a place where email. You can go to a place to enter their phone number. You can have them go to like literally your landing page. So whatever it is you want them to go to. I'm gonna literally name it buy now, right? You know what I'm saying? So pretty much boom, that's the first car. Then I put car, add a picture, right? We'll do this blue one, right? I'm lazy. So we're gonna do like this. Like this. Control V. Oh wait. In the description, so that the first thing people see is the price, right? Much. When they see the price, everything else kind of goes out the window, right? So I go here, boom, paste, right? Move this to the right a little bit. Make it a little bigger so you can see my sexy face. I do this. We'll do car number 3. We'll do this one. All right. I go here. And like I said, you can name these whatever you want. I'm just like I said, this just saves me a lot of time. Instead of me sitting here having to type each one out, I'm literally just kind of copy and pasting like the names of other cars. and then the prices of other cars so that, you know, I save myself a lot of time. Paste from here, here, and from here. So I have literally 3 cars that are already set, right? And this is kind of how it works. When you play the chatbot, this is what people see, right? This is what people see. Okay. I don't want to try to get distracted by my pretty face. It said greetings and welcome by AI, right? I can even do this. You just make it even interactive. I put a little thing that says, here are some cars in your area. So pretty much kind of like how it says hello, welcome to Sold by AI. Your second message say like, here's some vehicles in your area. You can have all like these are the vehicles that are around you. So when somebody comes to the chat, you see, hey, welcome to Sold by AI. Here's some cars in your area. So pretty much they're not gonna be like, oh, why am I getting random pictures of cars? Some cars in your area. Boom, this car is 400,000. It's the Rolls Royce Phantom. Oh, this car is 300,000. Is the blah. This is 400,000. Is the Rolls Royce blah blah blah, right? And then we didn't put it. We're getting a little sloppy. We're getting a little lazy. Well, let's go back and let's put something. For this one, we're gonna add a button. Add this and open a URL. Say www.google. So pretty much what this button lets you do, it's the button that people see when they go to it. I say, I want this car. So pretty much I can show you what it looks like when you have buttons and we don't have it. So when I want this car, that's pretty much what you see here. Buy now. I want this car. But the thing is, if I don't put it, it's not gonna be anything for people to click. So when people they can't really click on this picture because it's not like an interactive link. So all they can do is see it. It's important that you put this blue part is because it, like I say, it lets them buy the car, it lets you do add to the next step. So if they want to choose this image, they click this little thing, right? And if they, like I said, they can be like, boom, I want this, boom, I want this. And when they click it, it takes them to wherever you want. I have it go to Google just so we don't get copyrighted, so we don't get sued, right? But it's one of those wherever you want. So you literally can go to your local car dealership, ticket cars, and just price them. And then when somebody wants to buy this one, they click it. When somebody wants to do this one, they click it. And you can even have it, like I said, the integration to where when they click it, the first thing that it asks them for is their phone number or whatever. And so you see how it says right here, I want this car. I literally could have it to where, say the last one, I do a book. It would say, talk to a dealer. And the action could literally be like, I'm just gonna do another website. Say Google. But pretty much what it does is you literally can have it to where browse cars around you. You can have a thing that says talk to a dealer. So when they click it, like I said, I have to go to Google, but you can put whatever link you want. Once on this, they literally can have it. They literally can go to the agent's phone number where they click it, and like because if someone and you click it and it takes you say a list of all the potential people you could talk to. So you can even have like a little picture of just like I'll talk to Greg, talk to Jenny, have Jenny's phone number, Jenny's email, Jenny, whatever, and they just tap phone number. They click email, whatever, call you. Hello. So, like it's so easy nowadays. Like I said, you literally could just sell cars, right? And so you might be thinking, okay, this looks good. How can I make it look better? No problem. You can do upgrade. Or you go to talk, you go to cards, and you go down here. Cards is pretty much like carousel. Carousels go from left, or cars go from up to down. So say this car right here, this red one, right? Right. I'm gonna put price is for right? That car is that expensive. The most expensive car ever. Right? Right. You click this. It's, oh my God. Tell me more. Yeah, because the point is you can put whatever. It doesn't always have to say like, oh, buy now. You know, like you can have whatever, right? It opens a link and it goes to www.google.com. Right? So pretty much you can have this like this. Right? It's pretty much set up as a car. So if you notice, Carousel goes from right to left, but this goes from up to down. So pretty much I could add a carousel to this and make it go boom, 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 boom. But this is its own thing. You see how it's like up and there's down, up and down is pretty much not affected. And so I put, oh my God, tell me more. And that's what it literally is. When I click on it, it goes to whatever link that I wanted to go to. Like, so you can have a webinar thing. You can have whatever it is that you want to do. You can have it go to more lists. You have it to sign up, calendar, book a call, whatever you wanted to go to. Any link you can imagine, it goes there. It's as simple as that, guys. You upload the pictures, you tell it the price, and then you just list it out. It's kind of like how all they did is price the picture and they just have it listed out. You can put any information that you want. You see how it says 38 starting MRP? You can put whatever you want. This is literally the same as this. This is cars on cars. You go for pages of the pages. You literally do the same thing. And how to filter the cars with the whether if you go to friendly, 4-door or 2-door, but that's going to be for my, and if you want to be part of the Discord members, you leave a comment below. But it's one of those things where this is where you list the cars that people parking the price that people wanted to sell to, and you put a link that goes to anywhere they want. They could book a call, it could be go to their address, it could sign up to their email, whatever it is that you want. So then you go to an agency, you say, hey, use this. You say, I can create your Instagram and automate this chatbot. I can create your website, automate this chatbot. Not only do a lot of people not have websites, but the people that do websites don't have chatbots. So you make this the website, or you can put this on their website, or you can create them a website and put this on it. You can do. There's so much money that you can make. There's so many ways that they get paid, right? So this is the simplicity that you can pretty much make money and create a chatbot that sells cars. Because at the end of the day, if I click buy now, it go to a checkout screen that literally just enter your debit card information. You can literally buy now. Like, it took me no time. I didn't even incorporate ChatGPT. Okay, so it's one of those things where if your video helpful, if you actually like what you saw, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel, because I make these videos for you guys. I want you to be able to sell your service, your AI automation agency to other companies. This is a chatbot you can create in no time. This is a chatbot that you can create without much effort. I created this in less than 30 minutes, and it's literally sellable. You take this and start selling it. I can go to a dealership down below and be like, this chat I made, like I could do this with yours, So at the end of the day, like I said, if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. But this is simply a video on how you make a chatbot or how you sell cars through chatbot. Okay. And like I said, that's all I have for today's video. I'll see you guys in the